everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this tutorial, I will show you how to get Starfall shard in Heartopia. Starfall shard is a rare stone that can only be obtained during a meteor shower or a few hours after it ends. And just remember, these stones can only be found in Onsen mountain like this area. And Starfall shards are very useful because you can exchange them or redeem them for souvenirs with NPC Doris. And so how do you get it? First, just wait until the weather changes to a meteor rain. Meteor rain has already started from the 12 p.m. and then next just try to the onsen mountain like this, and then just look around the area carefully, and you will find stones that look like a diamond like this, for example like this, like a diamond crystal like this, and they can appear in a different colors. And once you find one, just mine this stone like this. Okay, like this, and it will automatically go into your inventory. And okay, that's it. That's how you can easily get Starfall shard in Heartopia. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching, and see you.